Welcome to Advanced Gianni YouTube channel, where we explore various ways to make money online. Today, we're diving into the world of online captcha solving to help you earn some extra cash. Captcha solving is a security measure used on websites to prevent spam and bots. Users are presented with challenges and need to complete them. There are different types of captchas, such as image-based and text-based captchas. Let's talk about how to make money from captcha solving. Platforms like Captcha, Bablo, and Megatypers offer captcha solving jobs. You'll need to create accounts on these platforms. Earnings can be low, typically a few cents per solved captcha. Payout options include PayPal and cryptocurrencies. Here are some average earnings to set realistic expectations. Improve your captcha solving efficiency by using a fast and reliable internet connection. Consider working during peak hours for higher rates. It's important to be honest about the downsides. The work can be tedious and repetitive. Be cautious of scams or fraudulent platforms. Let's discuss whether captcha solving is a viable way to earn money online. Weigh the pros and cons. Consider this as a side gig, not a full-time job. In conclusion, captcha solving can be a source of supplementary income, but it's worth noting that relying on it as a full-time revenue stream might not be viable. Captcha solving works by deciphering and entering mixed-up, distorted alphanumeric characters or images, which are utilized to prevent spam and automated bots on websites. There are different types of captchas, such as text, image, audio, and mathematical captchas. Websites use these captchas as a security measure to distinguish between genuine users and bots. This tutorial will specifically focus on captcha solving platforms like Captcha, Bablo, and Megatypers, providing an avenue for people to make some extra money. However, it's crucial to manage expectations realistically and keep an eye out for potential scams. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave your comments and questions below. We appreciate your time and attention. Remember, while captcha solving might offer a way to earn a small amount of additional cash, it should not replace a secure primary income.